Shalak! Ayan, hello guys. Patulog na ako. Tapos ko lang itong ano. Nga pala, thank you sa mga nagme-message sa akin. Hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa. Sa mga nagko-comment ko minsan, guys, na ano, parang hindi ko na medyo busy lang ako kagawa ng module ngayon. Shalak. Yan, eto. Good job, Nurse Can. Kasi yung anak ko almost 5 years na as an HD nurse at double job pa siya. Kaya that means okay kahit hindi hospital siya. 8 years, HG nurse dati sa Oman. Kaya dyan talaga ang destiny mo. Sana hindi lang trabaho. Pati na rin. Charis, joke lang yon. Diyos ko Lord, ayoko na magbanggit ayoko na mag-joke-joke pagdating sa mga jowa-jowa, guys. Shut up. Baka may magpaparinig na naman sa akin, Diyos ko Lord. No comment na lang sa mga Guys, yung mga about sa mga pinagsasabi ko dito about sa jowa-jowa and everything. Guys, please, wag nyo namang seryosohin, guys. Wag nyo akong i-message na mga kung ano-ano, yung mga padlalait niyo. Charis. Diyos ko Lord, hindi naman yung seryoso, guys. I am single because hindi naman porket single tayo, guys, is kung kanino na lang tayo parang papatol or something. Siyempre, hindi naman sa mapili ako, guys, pero syempre gusto ko naman yung yung jowang nakakalibog talaga. Nakakalibog! Shala. Yung yung ma-attract talaga ako ng sobra-sobra, guys, and magaling sa doon. Alam nyo na yun. 'Di ba? Napakawalang kwenta naman kung magjojowa lang ako just because gusto kong magka-jowa at gusto kong yung parang sumunod sa trend. Charis, joke lang yun. Baka sabihin nyo may pinarinig ka na naman ako Anyway, thank you so much sa mga lahat. Sa mga nagme-message sa akin. Buksan natin yung Saan na ba yun? Ayan. Eto, basahin natin. I see, thank you sa informative YouTube videos mo. Nakopy ko po yung financial handling ninyo. Sa iyo po ako nakakuha ng tips lalo na sa savings and retirement. Thank you so much kasi ako hindi naman ako financial expert, guys. I am just sharing kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa pera ko. 'Di ba? I am just sharing, like for example, kung anong ginagawa ko after maka-receive ko ng paycheck. Kasi ang perang dumarating sa atin every month na natatanggap natin every month, every 15 days pala tayo sumasahod dito. Ang perang dumarating sa atin, guys, every 2 weeks. Kasi every 2 weeks kaming sumasahod dito, guys. So, kung every 2 weeks kang sumasahod dito, hindi kasi kami monthly sumasahod dito. There are times na sumasahod kami ng 13 months. Like for example, there are months na sumasahod kami ng 3 beses. So, in a given year, for example, 365, tingnan natin. Kasi kung per month ka sasahod, every year, 12 ka lang. 12 na beses ka lang sasahod. Pero dito kasi, guys, 365 divided by 7. So, that is 52 weeks divided by 2. So, 26. Mga nasa 26 paycheck yung sinasahod namin. Kada, so, divided by 2 again. So, that's like 13 months. So, nakaka-26 paycheck kami dito sa loob ng isang taon. So, yun. Ang perang pumapasok kasi sa atin every paycheck ay perang pinaghihirapan natin, dugot pawis natin. So, sana magamit natin ng tama, maimpok natin ng tama, 'di ba? Okay lang naman yung mag-save, pero sometimes yung mga iba nating kunars kasi dito, yes, marunong mag-budget, 'di ba? Maraming masasave na pera pero hindi alam kung saan ilalagay yung pera. Napakakomplikado kasi kung iisipin mo lang guys, yung investment, kung wala ka talagang or walang nagme-mentor sa'yo, walang nagtuturo sa'yo, walang nagga-guide sa'yo, or wala kang alam kung saan mo ilalagay yung pera mo, ay napakahirap at napakakomplikadong intindihin. Pero kung meron kang mentor or kung meron kang parang taong nagga-guide sa'yo sa kung anong gagawin mo sa pera mo, di malayong makakamit at makakamit mo yung financial stability or financial freedom. Ako, nag-share lang naman ako sa kung anong ginagawa ko sa pera ko dito sa Amerika, guys. Kasi before pa ako makarating dito sa Amerika, guys, ay alam ko na yung mga, or pinag-aralan ko na, sinikap ko talagang pag-aralan kung paano ko mapapalago yung pera ko. Not just in terms of pag-invest sa mga tangible properties like lupa, gold. When I say tangible, it is things that you can touch and see. Yun yung definition ko ng tangible. So, hindi lang sa ganong bagay, pwede mong i-invest or ilagak yung pera mo. You can also invest your money in mutual funds, in exchange-traded funds or ETF. In the Philippines, there is Unit Investment Trust Fund that banks offers. And, yun. By putting all of your money into this kind of investment, ay mas safe kasi merong fund manager or merong taong expert na nangangalaga sa pera mo. Or if you are really interested in investing in the stock market, and you really want to learn, you're very passionate in learning on how you can invest in an individual stocks, high-paying dividend stocks, you can always study the market and then invest. Malay mo, dun ka mag-grow. Pero in my case, para wala na lang, hindi na lang mahirapan, I do invest in mutual fund or exchange traded fund like BOOO, QQM, basta yun na yun. QQQM. Ganun yung mga traded. Yung mga ETF na pinag-investan ko. This ETF like VOOO or Vanguard something, this fund tracks the S&P 500. So, okay yung return, mga ganon. So, I am so blessed and happy na alam ko na yung mga ganong type of investment before pa ako nakarating dito sa Amerika. And I am sharing all of these learnings that I have learned to all of my viewers in this channel because hindi naman siguro lahat ng mga subscriber ko or lahat ng mga papunta dito sa Amerika na nanonood sa akin ay alam itong mga kind of investment. In fact, I am so overwhelmed and glad when I see my phone after posting investment blog or 401k blog, Roth IRA blog, that some of you has question on how Roth IRA works, how yung 401k, medyo may alam na kayo kasi usually it is being offered by your employer. How would you invest in the US stock market through your individual brokerage account? Mga ganon. And I'm so happy that most of you are really interested. Siguro nakita niyo yung buhay ko na pa eme lang. Charis joke lang yun. Hindi naman ganon yun. Yan, kain muna tayo ng anak na. Blueberry lang to, guys. Sana kinukutsara ko siya kasi pag ininom ko ng dire-diretso malamig, feeling ko na yung brain ko, yung parang na-freeze or something. Nagaganon din ba kayo, guys? Hindi na ako nagkakaroon ng sensitivity pagdating sa teeth ko, pero yung parang brain ko parang ewan ko. Kaya ginaganito ganito ko. Sarap. Ayun guys, hindi ako financial expert. So, wag niyo sana akong i-bash kung meron akong mga maling nasasabi. Kung meron man akong maling nasasabi na feeling nyo ay mali talaga, please put it in the comment section and correct me if I'm really wrong. I will be more than glad to read all of your comments. Guys, sinishare ko lang yung kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa pera ko. Simula nang dumating ako dito sa Amerika. And hopefully, may natututunan kayo or meron kayong napupulot na aral sa mga pinagkukwento ko sa inyo guys. Pagdating sa 401k, pagdating sa Roth IRA, pagdating sa investment or pagdating sa mga investment ko sa mga sinasabi kong non-tangible properties because hindi lang naman puro pera, hindi lang naman puro gold, lupa, mga ganyan or bahay yung dapat investment natin. You know, there are other forms of investment na hindi mo kailangang protektahan, hindi mo kailangang bantayan, hindi mo kailangang mag-spend ng taon-taon na tax, property tax, di ba? Kapag may bahay kayo dito sa Amerika, you don't need that. So, sinishare ko lang kung magkano yung return, mga ganon. And hopefully, makapag-share pa ako ng more information sa inyo. Kung meron kayong tanong, you can always PM me, guys. Kan Masarik. And pasensya na kung sometimes hindi ako nakakapag-reply sa inyo ng agad-agad, especially sa mga first time na magme-message pa lang sa akin. Because sometimes, yung message ninyo, kung first time pa lang kayong magme-message sa akin, ay napupunta siya sa request message or message request ng messenger. So, sometimes hindi ko yun natitingnan. And then after 1 month, after 4 weeks, ngayon, almost every week na ako nag-check ng message request ko para lang, yun, naman, kasi nung merong isang, na yun, siguro after mga 2 months na ako nakapag-reply, I'm so sorry. Hindi ko naman yun sinasadya eh. Pero kung second or third time nyo na mag-message sa akin, usually nakakapag-reply naman ako agad-agad. Alam nyo yan. Diba? Within seconds, kung wala akong ginagawa, nagre-reply ako sa abot ng aking makakaya. Kung meron kayong tanong about, usually, madami akong tanong na na-receive this week for the Roth IRA from all of you guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-open ng Roth IRA, you still have time up until tomorrow so that you can still contribute for the maximum contribution for this year, which is 2025. If you open your account before the end tomorrow, which is December 31, you still have time from January up until April before the tax deadline to contribute for 2025. Guys, if you can contribute for 2025, mas maganda. Imagine niyo na lang, guys. Kapag nag-open kayo ng Roth IRA ninyo after tomorrow now, which is January 1, you can only contribute for the year starting 2026. Pinakamaganda talaga ang Roth IRA. It is one or considered one of the most powerful retirement account that you can have because ang perang ipapasok ninyo, guys, of course, yun na yung net ng salary ninyo or nataksan na. Pagkapasok ninyo, all of the money that enters into your Roth IRA, including your earnings, tax, dividends, interest, lahat, when you pull it out at 59.5, will be tax-free. The money that you put in, Okay? For example, nakapaglagay kayo dyan ng $50,000 or siguro mga $70,000 for the last 10 years and it grows to 100,000, you can pull up the 70,000 anytime. Tax-free, penalty-free. Okay? You can pull up the 70,000 anytime, even before 59 and a half, tax-free and penalty-free. The 30,000, of course, if you pull it out sabay nun, the 30,000 will be, of course, subject to penalty and at the same time, tataksan kayo doon. But, if you really need the money, you can pull up the 70,000 tax-free. Hayaan nyo na yung 30,000 doon. Hayaan nyo na yung 30,000 doon up until 59 and a half so that it will be tax-free. Mag-grow pa yun. 'Di ba? It will be tax-free and penalty-free. Kunin nyo na lang yung 70 shalak, 'di ba? Pero kung kailangan talaga, edi kunin nyo na. Anyway, yung tataksan lang naman is yung 30,000 eh. 'Di ba? But if you can wait up until 59 and a half, ay mas maganda. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, whatever money that you set aside in your 401k or in your individual brokerage account, dapat it is a money that you do not need. Again, it is the money that you do not need for the next 10, 15, or 20 years. All of this money are not intended to be withdrawn within the next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. No. It is intended for your retirement. So let it grow. Let it grow. Let it grow. Shalak. Diba? It is intended to grow for your retirement, guys. For example, 34 na ako ngayon. Sana umabot pa naman tayo ng 60. Diyos ko, Lord. Ginagawa ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya. Charis, joke lang yun. Ginagawa ko, guys, ang lahat ng aking makakaya para umabot tayo ng 60 ng meron pang lakas, meron pang ano. Hindi lang naman sa pagpapalaki ng katawan yung longevity, guys. It is about your diet. It is about if you are exercising well. It is about when you are sleeping 7 to 8. Guys, please. Ito ang ito talaga yung na realize ko, malaking realization ko, guys, for this year. Sleep is very important, hugely important. Taking a vacation, doing travel is part of valuing and taking care of yourself, guys. Pag nagbabakasyon kayo, magpamasahe kayo, magpa-facial kayo, treat yourself to the best that you can. But of course, don't forget to save money. Okay? That is why, yung inaano ko talaga sa inyo, guys, nagbablog ako, share ako ng information, kinukumbinsi ko kayo na every paycheck, you set aside $150 to $200 in a separate, kahit 100 lang sa simula, that is a good starting point. In a separate checking account that you will not see. So that when the time na magbabakasyon na kayo in the next 4 to 6 months or 8 months, at least magbakasyon kayo once a year. Recommended ko talaga every 6 months, guys, na magbakasyon. It will really help a lot, not just your body, but at the same time, your mind. When you have a vacation, pag nagbabakasyon kayo every 4 months to 6 months, when you come back to work, you feel energized, you feel motivated, because meron na naman kayong i-look forward, guys, in the next 4 to 6 months. Hindi kayo mababagot. Burnout will never be your thing if you are doing vacation at least every 4 to 6 months. Guys, matulog ng maayos. If you are not sleeping 6 to 8 hours a day, at least siguro mga 7 or 8 hours per day, guys, you are losing a lot. You are damaging yourself every day. Guys, our body is damaged almost every day because of stress, overthinking, etc. With the food that we eat, with the air that we inhale, this earth is very polluted. And the only way that you can repair all of those cells that has been damaged is through sleep and proper nutrition. I hope everybody will be able to take care of themselves so that we can all be healthier in our 40s, 50s until our 60s. Have a nice day, everyone. Good night. Bye-bye.